Are you also tired getting the boring and the user results from the ChatGPT, Gemini or the Cloudy with your simple prompts? And if you want to do the experts level of the prompting like this, you need to be the knowledgeful, like what the things you are going to get from the ChatGPT and the Gemini. So in this video, I'm going to give you a tool with the help of you can just write or generate these kind of the prompts within just few seconds. Yes, within just few seconds. Let me give you an example here. So I'm going to go on the new chat here, and after that, when I just enter my plain simple prompt SEO strategy for our clothing website, you can see this is the simple text prompt I have given, but I want the expert level of the prompting. So simply I will click here on the improve prompt here. So this is a toggle I have just got with this tool, and it is going to improve my prompt from a simple to a expert level of the prompting here. You can see this is the expert level of prompting, and it has just given within just few seconds, around 3 to 5 seconds. And when I just click here on the enter, I will start getting the results here, and you can see this is the difference between a simple and the professional expert level of the prompting here. So you can see this is the toggle I am using. So this is the pretty prompts here, and I have installed its free Chrome extension. You can see pretty prompt Chrome extension I have installed, and now whenever I am going to just enter the plain text for the prompting, it will turn that, improve that or refine that into the expert level of the prompting with the detailed use case and the expertise level here. Same thing I can do with the Gemini here. When I just enter my prompt here, this is the prompt available. I can also refine it. We have also the prompt library available here. So when I click here on the improve this prompt here, you can see there's also the refine button available. This is going to refine your prompt as well. So right now, to showing out, I have just tested out its free demo plan that can give you the 3 prompting per day here, but what I suggest, go with its pro plan, because there you will get the higher limits of the prompting that you can use on the any AI model here. For example, I can use it on the Cloudy, I can use it on the Gemini, or my favorite one, that is the ChatGPT, and this will gives you the insane level of the results and the expertise that you cannot get with your own here. So if I talk about its pricing, let me go to this pricing plan. You can see we have the pro plan available starting from the around the $99 annually here. So this is the subscription you have to pay the every year. But what if there's the lifetime plan or the lifetime access you can get? Yes, its lifetime plan is available on the AppSumo, and you have to just pay the $29 here. Here you have to pay on the around the $100 annually, but here you are just paying the $29 for the lifetime. You don't need to pay the annually, okay? And there's also the multiple plans available. So single tier plan will give you the 200 prompts per month without any limit you can use here. Like for the free trial, you are only getting the 3 prompts per day, okay? You cannot go after that. You have to need the pro plan. That's why get its lifetime plan here, okay? And what I suggest, go with at least its tier 2 plan, because here you will get the 1000 prompts per month, and this is the sufficient for anyone, okay? There you will also get the 4 users limit, and all these features you will also get. And somehow after checking out its lifetime deal, you are not happy, there's also 60 days money back guarantee. Okay, so somehow you are not satisfied, just return it, your 100% money will be the backed. Okay, so this is the great thing what I liked about the AppSumo here. So if you want to check the pretty prompts, the lifetime deal is given in the description. All you have to get is lifetime deal, and after that you have to log in here, okay, getting its Chrome extension, and now you are free to use any AI model like the ChatGPT, Cloudy or the Gemini here. I have showed you its feature, I have given you a live demo how you can just improve your prompts within just few seconds. And this is really crazy tool, because we have also a library available that we can just instantly check out and use it. So if you want to check it out the deal, the link will be in the description. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button if you want to stay updated with these kind of the videos that can help your life workflow or the business with so many effortless way. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.